can see it just a mile away from this crowded place. I could lay there next to you.
Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I have another makeup tutorial using the Daisy Marquez and Jouer Cosmetics palette. I realized that I don't have that many tutorials using this one. And actually this is such a good palette. I do really like the formula. The pigmentation is boom in your face. Let me know down below if you guys have the Jouer Cosmetics and Daisy palette and if you like it, because as I said, I do really like it. I feel like this was a very nice collaboration. And now I used the bright colors from this palette, but today I kind of wanted to tone it down a little bit. I haven't used these three colors that I used in today's video, and I still have a few that I haven't used before, but I mainly use the brightest shades. And oh my god, this one, amazing, amazing. So again, I used the Kaima Cosmetics glitters. If you guys want to save 10% off your purchase, check the link down below because I do have a coupon code for you. Shh, don't tell them, but I did use my own coupon code when I purchased the powders and I did save 10%. So if you want to purchase them, check the link down below. Today I use the color Galaxyify. It has a lot of different colors. It looks like a rainbow, but when you place it down, it looks, I also have it on my nails. But as you can see, it looks kind of black and I'm not really a fan of that. Also under this, underneath, I use the eyeshadow that I got in my look the eyeshadow that I got in my Look Fantastic. I'm not a fan of this color and actually they are pretty similar. I have to say that I don't really like the glue that it comes with the powders because it doesn't dry down, it stays tacky and that makes the eyeshadows crease and it looks not cute. So today I use the NYX glitter glue. This is the Balm.com. Love it, this combo together, amazing. So that's that. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, I feel like it's so simple and so easy to achieve. To me, it was very easy to create. You just have to make sure you blend the transition shade and I guess that's it, because everything else you're gonna cover it with the glitter or crown powder, whatever this is, and you're good to go. Add some lashes and you're gonna look like a mamacita. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. So as we can see, today I was in a mood to use a concealer as my eyeshadow base, and first I'm going to start with this deep burgundy kind of color. I don't know how to describe colors, I'm sorry. So as you can see, is intense, but no worries because I'm going to take my time to blend that out and to build that like crazy. So there's not much to explain. I'm using the exact same brush to blend that out and also to build that color. So yeah. With a clean brush, I'm going to buff out a little bit more those edges because I really want them to look as smooth as possible. Next, I'm going to go with this purplish burgundy color. It is very similar to the first color I used. As you can see here, there is absolutely no difference, almost, but there is a little bit of difference, but not really. But yeah, I use that color too. And as you can see, I started with this cat eye kind of shape and I'm going to try to maintain it, so be very precise if you want to recreate this makeup look. Next, I'm taking this deep brown color and a small angled brush and I'm going to apply that right where my crease is, very precise as you can see, and I'm going to buff that out with the second burgundy color I used, and then I'm going to build up the colors because they look a little bit faded and we don't want that. Next, I'm going with this cream eyeshadow and I'm applying that right in the center. The formula is okay, but the color is not really my cup of tea, but no worries, because on top of that I'm going to go with this beautiful chrome powder. As I said, I feel like there's too much black, but I still like it because it has so many different colors, and from far it looks so beautiful. Off camera I did my face makeup, and on the bottom line I'm starting with the first color I used in my crease. Then I'm going to add a little bit of that deep brown for more definition, apply some lashes, highlight the brow bone, and you're ready to go.
I can see it just a mile away from this crowded place. I could lay there next to you.
On my lips, I wanted to use a different type of nude. So I started with this BFF lip liner, and then I'm going to go with the Dose of Colors Brûlée lipstick, and this is more into the mauvey side, so it's different, right?
See it from the passenger door. I can feel it. It's like I've been here before.
Alright guys, so that's it for this makeup look. I have to say that it was super easy for me to achieve this makeup look. I don't know what I did, but I moved like boom, 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 boom. That's because I guess I didn't cut the crease, and that takes precision, time, patience. So yeah, I feel like it takes a little longer if you decide to cut the crease, but if you use the glitter powders, whatever these are on top, it's not gonna look that sharp when you cut the crease. So I didn't cut the crease, and I think it looks okay. I do really like it. As I said, it took me like, I don't know, 20 minutes maybe to do one eye, and that's very fast for me because usually it takes me 1 hour and a half to do only one eye, especially if I'm filming. So that's that. And as I said in the intro, I don't think I have that many makeup tutorials using this eyeshadow palette. This is forever gone now. Wow. Forever gone now, is sold out, never gonna be on stock, or maybe they will surprise us, who knows. But I'm so glad that I had 2 eyeshadow palettes in my giveaway, and I'm so happy for the girls that won my giveaway. Oh, this is such a good eyeshadow palette, and actually I need to use it more. When I purchased mine, the black shade came broken, so I had black eyeshadow all over my packaging, like all over the things I had in my packaging. Not this eyeshadow palette was super black, so it took me forever to clean it. It's still not perfectly clean because the black eyeshadow is so pigmented, you guys. I feel like Daisy really nailed it with this eyeshadow palette. Anyway, I'm so happy for the girls who won my giveaway, so that's that. Today I used this highlighting primer that I got in my Look Fantastic box a few days ago, and actually I'm not a fan because it looks so glowy, so beautiful. Almost it looks like you applied glitter on top, but when I went with the foundation, you could see the huge chunks of glitter under the foundation, and it looks so weird. Especially right on my cheeks, I could see the huge chunks of glitter on my nose, on my forehead. So yeah, overall from far my face looks okay, like so glowy, so radiant, but up close you can totally see the huge chunks of glitter under my foundation. Not a fan. I'm going to have all the products listed down below, no worries. And I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.